Do you feel like life's gotten off track? Are you struggling to find your purpose or direction? Well, you're not alone, but fear not, because there's a way to fix it. Today, I want to share with you some profound insights that can truly change your life for the better. This video could be the pivotal moment where everything starts to shift, but it requires your undivided attention. So I urge you to set aside any distractions, go full screen, and immerse yourself in what I'm about to share. Let's kick things off with habits. Our habits essentially shape the trajectory of our lives, so it's crucial to cultivate ones that serve our growth and well-being. There are two main types of habits: instant gratification and delayed gratification. Instant gratification habits provide immediate pleasure but often lead to long-term consequences, while delayed gratification habits may require some initial discomfort but ultimately contribute to our long-term success and fulfillment. Therefore, it's essential to prioritize habits like regular exercise, daily meditation, and consistent work or study routines. Moving on to influences, it's said that we become the average of the top 5 people we spend the most time with or consume content from. This underscores the profound impact our environment has on our mindset, beliefs, and aspirations. Therefore, it's vital to curate our surroundings and seek out positive influences that inspire and uplift us. Whether it's through reading books, watching videos, or engaging with supportive communities, surrounding ourselves with positivity can significantly influence our personal growth journey. Now let's address the often overlooked aspect of mental health. Our emotional well-being plays a significant role in our overall quality of life and our ability to thrive. One powerful practice that can enhance our mental health is gratitude. Taking just a couple of minutes each morning to reflect on and write down things we're grateful for can have a profound impact on our mood and outlook. Over time, this simple exercise trains our brains to focus on the positives, leading to increased happiness and resilience. Next, let's explore the concept of purpose. At the core of our being lies a deep-seated desire to find meaning and direction in our lives. Discovering our purpose involves introspection and reflection on what truly matters to us and what drives us to make a difference in the world. While this journey may take time and introspection, clarifying our purpose provides us with a guiding light that illuminates our path and fuels our passion. Finally, taking action is the linchpin that brings all these elements together. Knowledge and motivation alone are not enough to affect meaningful change. Action is where the magic happens. It's about committing to small, consistent steps towards our goals and staying resilient in the face of challenges. By integrating the habits, influences, mental health practices, and purpose-driven actions discussed earlier into our daily lives, we set ourselves on a transformative path towards growth and fulfillment. In conclusion, if you're truly committed to transforming your life, it starts with embracing these principles and incorporating them into your daily routine. The power to change lies within you, and by taking intentional action, you can unlock your full potential and create the life you desire. By following these steps, you can start to fix your life and create a future filled with happiness and fulfillment. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes. The power to transform your life is in your hands.